Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the TD Bank app for virtual card creation step by step clearly. To install the TD Bank app for virtual card creation, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Navigate to your device's App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. For iOS users, open the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type TD Bank and tap Search. Locate the official TD Bank app in the search results. Check that the app is developed by TD Bank, N.A. For verification, tap on the app icon to open the app page. Select the Install button for Android or Get for iOS. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the TD Bank app. If you're a new user, tap on Sign Up to create an account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. This may include your social security number and account details. If you're an existing user, enter your login credentials and tap Login. Once logged in, navigate to the Card Services section. Look for the option to create a virtual card. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your virtual card. You may need to verify your identity at this stage. Once verified, your virtual card will be generated. Save your virtual card information securely for future use. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the TD Bank app and created a virtual card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.